Learning notes on your fretboard. We often get asked how to approach this and how important it is in your learning process. When you first begin this, you need to be aware that there's a uniformity to it and the notes are spaced out accordingly. So the first part of this, we're going to start on an F note in fret 1 on string 6. If we move along 2 frets and we go down 2 strings, this is also F. We call that an octave because it is the 8th note of the scale. That was the F major scale. The first note is F and the last note is F. From F in the first fret, from F in the 3rd fret. We're going to begin in the next octave, so let's begin on fret 3 that we just landed on. This is the 4th string. You're going to stretch your little finger out to fret 6 on the 2nd string. This is the next octave. They are both F notes. So the spacing between these notes is 2 frets when you're on string 6. So this is the F octave. This note in fret 3 is G, so that's the G octave. Fret 5 is A, 7 is B, 8 is C, 10 is D. We're going right up to 12. These are the E notes. And in fret 13 and 15, there are your F notes, 1 whole octave higher. So let's begin from this F note on fret 3, and we're playing fret 6 on string 2. That is your F note. Now let's go down to string number 5 and the 8th fret. This is the F note here. So we'll count up and we'll find out why that is the F note. This is the A string, string 5. We're going to play A, B, C, D, E, now we're landing on F. So put your index finger on fret 8, string 5, that's F. Then your 3rd finger is down in fret 10, string 3, F and F. And to find the next octave, put your 1st finger on that 10th fret note on string 3, F, and then put your little finger down on the skinny string, string 1, and fret 13. Let's play all of those consecutively. 6 F notes on the guitar. Repeat these by going up an octave now from F in fret 1 all the way to fret 13. This is F. Using the same process, along 2 and down 2, we're playing F followed by F. Replace your 3rd finger with your index finger and go along 3 and down 2. You should have wound up in fret 18, string 2, and these are your F notes, but an octave higher. So let's try and repeat some little phrases using these notes as our navigation. So I'm starting on the F note. Play that again slowly, fret 1, 3, 5. Straight underneath this is our next F note. Because of the tuning of the guitar, you're probably aware we need to go forward 1 fret to fret 6 to find that F note. But the lick stays the same shape. So now we can repeat this in 3 octaves. And it gets better. We can use these ones up here. And just a tip, let's land back on that F note to finish. this to the other notes on the guitar, such as G in the 3rd fret, G, its octave, and its octave, A, its octave, and that octave, B, C, D, and so on. Let's just do that down on string 5 and fret 8. We'll go back to those F octaves we had before. There they are. F, F, and F. Let's move forward 2 frets to G. Fret 12 is our A note with the 2 dots. And those are your A octaves. When you're playing guitar, you can look at the skinnier strings here and then navigate your way back to a position of a note that you're familiar with. For example, if you're uncertain of what this note is there in fret 13, take it back to the octave, which happens to be 10. And if you're still uncertain of what this note is, take it back to fret 8, and you're going to realize that that is the F note. This is why it highlights the importance of knowing string 5 and 6 pretty thoroughly before you embark on your journey of scales, chords, and note finding. So get finding those notes, and that's how to find notes on your guitar using octaves.